Hey guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record a specific region or part of your screen using the Nabla SurFlex Screen Recorder. So let me go ahead and open up that application here. And once you have the application open, guys, you have a few options. You can record your full screen, select region, webcam, and also sound. But we're focusing on the region here. So all you have to do is just click the drop down here and you will have a few options. You can select the region that you want, or you can do more of a fixed region. So if you do like a fixed region, this will basically do the sizing for you. I'm going to show you how it works. So let me click select region. If I click on select region, then as you see here, I can now drag over wherever I want on my screen, and I can just let go and I'll be able to record that. So all you'll have to do now is just simply click on record, and then that specific region will be recorded. I'm going to simply click on record now so you can see it. It will count down after 5 seconds. And then this specific region will be recorded. Now, as you can see, I'm moving the mouse over the specific region where I'm recording, and I will just simply go ahead and stop it. And I can go ahead and I can play this back so that you can see what was recorded. And here it is. And that's how you would go about doing that. So let's say I would like to do more of a fixed region of recording. So all I have to do is just click the drop down and then choose the fix option. And here you can see if I click on various sizing, it will choose the specific region. So this is more like a full screen fix. And if I go again and do like a 1280 by 720, you realize that it's a more smaller screen, as you can see. If I do it again and go like 850 by 480, you realize this is also smaller. And if I do it again to like 1080 by 7, you realize this is also smaller as well. And yeah, you can continue doing it. You realize there are more. And that's how you would go about doing this. And if you select one of those fixed region and you would like to adjust it, you can just simply drag and make the adjustment as you want, as you see that I am doing on the screen. And once you decide on the specific sizing that you want, all you have to do is just simply hit the record button, and this will record that portion of the screen. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Andrew, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.